Hip-Hop Gems TV. First tape, I made it look easy. Did these niggas greasy. Been on my grizzly, it might take a whole zoo to kill me. Lie, cheat, and steal. Eddie taught me how to do them filthy. Y'all seen the outcome. Dropped a mixtape better than niggas' albums. We just increasing the volume. The name holds value. Got a bridge in Brooklyn I could sell you. Hip-hop was the trapdoor I fell through. Don't end up at Bellevue. Might leave your heart drumless like Wolverine produced the shit. Niggas older than me, still my jits. Got freestyles as hits. You got some shit on your lip that niggas nowadays don't get. I'm the landlord that raised the rent and I came to collect. Heard your shit and we hit eject. I only like bitches and they obsessed. My big Buddha work of art like my nigga Test. Listen, no contest. I'm the type to shoot with no context. My style Loch Ness. I'm 96 prodigy with a God complex. Suplex, duplex, group sex, through Des Prez. I'm in the Lex, listening to Dead Prez. The name action figure, not who get this. My pen like a switch on two twin Berettas. Me and my mask like Bronson in the corduroy Jets hat. Act low, always in attack mode. You niggas got no impact. Maybe your shit's whack. Y'all should stick to selling coke and crack. That's probably the only thing y'all niggas better than me at. Yo, first tape, I ain't talk no shit.